Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. Natural cleaning tips for your home. How to clean your kitchen with white vinegar. White vinegar has long been used as a natural cleaning solution at home. It's a cleaning trick that has been passed on from one generation to another. From soapy heads to shower heads and microwaves to copper, white vinegar is an eco-friendly and versatile alternative to the cleaning solutions you commonly find in stores. It is not only effective, but also an inexpensive option that you should consider if you are looking for an excellent substitute to the typical, potentially dangerous, store-bought cleaners that you might have in your cabinet. White vinegar can be used to clean windows. All you need to do is mix equal parts of white vinegar and water. That's it. You instantly have a window cleaning solution. Use it along with squeegee. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.